This is exercise 10.4 class 7th maths NCERT. Question number 1. Construct triangle ABC given angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 30 degree and AB is equal to 5.8 centimeter. So here we are required to draw this triangle ABC. Question number 1, exercise 10.4. It is given AB is 5.8 centimeter. So first of all we will draw AB, which is 5.8. So here 5.8 first of all we will draw. This is AB 5.8 centimeter. Now one side we will write B, other side we will write A, and it is 5.8 centimeter. Now angle A it is given 60 degree and angle B it is given 30 degree. So these both angles can be drawn using compass. So we will draw them using compass only. So first of all we are drawing 60 degree angle on A. So draw an arc first. Draw an arc and without changing it, this first arc will be 60 degree. And then we will draw a line, and this angle A is 60 degree now. And on B we will draw 30 degree angle. Again we will draw a semicircle or an arc, and the first arc is of 60 degree. You know that this arc 60 degree, and for making 30, one arc we will draw from this and other arc from 60 degree arc. Now this point is 30 degree, this angle. Now here you can see this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Now your triangle is completed. This triangle is triangle ABC. Now this is question number 2. Construct triangle PQR. If PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and angle PQR is 105 degree and angle QRP is 40 degree. Now we are required to draw a triangle PQR. Now let's draw this triangle. Now after drawing question number 1, now we are drawing question number 2. In this triangle PQR we are required to construct, and PQ it is given, PQ is 5 centimeter. So we will draw a line of 5 centimeter first. This is 5 centimeter PQ. Here we will write P, here we will write Q, and this is 5 centimeter. Now angles are given. Angle PQR it is given 105 degree and angle QRP it is given 40 degree. So you know that whenever 3 letters are there, then we will choose the middle letter. This PQR will be drawn on Q and this QRP will be drawn on R. So here you can see Q is there, so on Q we will draw 105 degree, but R point is not there, which is given 40 degree. So we will find out angle P first. By using angle sum property, we will find angle P first. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. You know that angle sum property of triangle, all the angles of a triangle has the sum 180 degree. P is not given, Q is 105, R is 40 degree. So it is equal to 180. So here 105 and 40, 145, and then we will send this 145 degree on the right hand side. It is in plus, it will go in minus. So 180 minus 145, this is 35 degree. So here you can see angle P is 35 degree and angle Q is 105 degree. So here we will draw these angles using protractor. First of all 35 on P point. So here you can see this point P, this is 0, so we will see the numbers which is inside. So this is 35 here. So this point is 35 degree. Here we will write 35, and angle Q, this is 105. So here we will draw 105. So you can see 0 is outside. So 105 will be taken from the outside. So here after 100, after 5 points, this is 105. Now we will increase this to join the lines. Now you can see this point is R, this is 105, and here we have find out the angle P, so that this question will be completed. Otherwise this question will not be completed if you will not find angle P. This is question number 3. Examine whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF is equal to 7.2 centimeter, angle E is 110 degree, and angle F is 80 degree. Here we are required to examine that this triangle can be drawn or not, and if it can be or if it can't be, then justify your answer with your reason also. In question number 3, you can see that it is given draw a triangle DEF. We are required to draw a triangle DEF, but angle E, it is given 110, or angle F, it is given 80 degree. So when you add these two angles, E plus F, here you can see 110 plus 80 is equal to 190 degree. And we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. But these two angles are having the sum more than 180 degree. That's why no triangle DEF cannot be drawn, because the sum of given angles which are given कौन से हैं, एंगल E and F is more than 180. तो इनका ही सम जो है वो more than 180 हो रहा है. That's why triangle cannot be drawn.